Hello everyone, this is Mario from Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Gaggia Anima espresso machine. Now for this machine, we just replaced the grinder. Unfortunately, when we got the part, the grinder was missing a sensor, and that sensor is super important to detect how much beans are getting grounded in the machine. And without that sensor, the machine will not work. So we had to wait for that part, as it was on back order. But once we got it, we were able to install it, and now we're gonna be testing it. So starting with 1 shot of espresso, we're gonna be testing it out just to show you that the magnet sensor of the grinder works. I'm gonna open the lid, just like so. Great quantity for espresso. Another service that we did on the machine is that we cleaned these spouts, and we cleaned the upper inner spouts of the machine. One of the most important parts of the machine, as the coffee kind of travels from here of the brew unit into the inner spouts of the machine. That comes out through here, then onto the second spouts, and then out into the espresso shot. So we cleaned everything in there, make sure there was no coffee buildup or anything. We also cleaned some parts of the machine as we had the machine open completely. And yeah, that's what we did with this beautiful machine. As you can see, we had a nice espresso coming out from this. Good crema, working great. Even though we're using very old coffee, we got a nice layer of crema. And just to let you know, we keep our coffee in this container, which is not the best container to keep it, but for testing, it works very well. Now we're gonna be using the hot water. Now the machine needs to get up to temperature. Once it does, the thermal block that is located right here will start pushing water through the system, through the two-way valve, then out into the hot water spout, as you see right this. Nice steady stream coming out from the machine, working great. Now we're gonna be using the steam function of the machine. And since we used the hot water function of the machine previously, a little bit of water is gonna shoot through here. Once it purges, it's gonna start steaming properly. Also, the steamer, the thermal block that is located right here needs to get up to temperature, which is a little hotter than hot water. The water pump will start pulsing water through the system, get into the thermal block, go into the two-way valve. Once it gets up to temperature, it will push all the excess water, purge the steamer, and give you this nice steady steam that you see right here. Excellent steam coming out from this machine. Great pressure. No leaks or anything. Working amazing. So there you have it. Gaggia Anima working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for repairing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit the like, hit the bell, and thanks for watching.